Let's follow Randy. He's got a log. He jumped that cliff. What's happening, everyone? Guess what? First ride of 2021. Randy's with me on his, new to him, 2005 KX125. This bike was completely tore down to nothing and rebuilt with all new, as much OEM as he could find. That thing's got an electron carburetor on it, and he's got a fat head, cylinder head. He's got the optional high compression dome installed in it right now. Well, it turned out amazing. It looks freaking awesome. Oh yeah, the plastics. It's 2005 bike, but he bought 2021 Restyle plastic kit, and geez, it just looks, that's sharp. Looks really good. Well, we could try the field and see what's up. There's a lot of sticks still in here, but maybe we can find a perimeter to work in. Then we can go over to the cabin too. Check out the woods over there too. Wow, this feels pretty good. Whoa! Oh, I caught that one. Where's that log? Here it is. Yeah. And that race gas smells good. Woo! Back in the cabin. Here's our trees that are down from last year. Yeah, this one here. We can probably just kick those back. Trail maintenance. Stopped for a little trail maintenance. Got an olive tree. And branches that fell down. Good 3-inch spikes. Those are fun when you get them across the knuckles or into your neck when you're ripping past. We should, I'm gonna go, let's go the opposite way a little bit. Woo! Our best bet is anywhere from here back, honestly. It just gets thicker up in here, real thick. So if there's any opening to make a trail, we just have to basically head that way. Yeah, I got that. Mike, we need your quad out here. Alright, so check this out. This is the cabin loop that we've had for a while. And today me and Randy have been kind of back here getting this all broke in, getting everything back into working order. And we also connected another part of the track, a backwoods area, with a new trail that we made. That's Randy's new line. Okay, instead of snaking all the way up the hill to cabin loop that way, we got a new cut right here. Alright, so we've been working this path here all day, but anyway, snake through here. We've got a hairpin that's on this hill right here. This is kind of wicked. Hairpin here. Around this, there's a log right there. Down the hill, through all this crap. Now this part we've had before. So this backwoods area here, we've just linked to connect to the cabin loop. This is kind of what we call the reverse run. We did it the other way for a while. Now we're just running it backwards. Turn to the right and go up the hill. And then this, the bowl's right here. Oh, by the way, we got to incorporate the bowl. And then if you come up here, it connects you back to the cabin loop. Here's the cabin where we started, right here. That's one new whole lap. Okay, let's get Randy coming up the bowl. Yeah! Smooth. Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bowl. A success. Oh. Bumpy. Uh-huh. Woo! Into the cornfield. Hey Randy, thanks for coming out today for the inaugural 2021 first day of dirt riding season. Has opened officially for us. Thanks, dude. That was awesome.
Thanks for having me.
All right, see you on the next one.